how to get rid of the myshopify.com domain. So in the video today, I'll be showing you how you can get rid of that assigned Shopify domain on your online store when creating a new store. So a brief example of that will be something like this. You can see this is my store. Now this is a brand new store. You can see at the top, we do get the myshopify.com assigned domain. And the thing with this is it really is a huge problem because it's not branded and conversion rates can tank drastically with this. So make sure that you actually have a branded website when creating your store or whatever it may be. A branded domain is always the best way to go. It does increase conversion rates and it helps customers stay on here and buy from your store, right? So basically, I'll show you how to set that up right now. So here on the dashboard, head over to your settings, which should be located at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And in here, there should be a panel. Scroll all the way down and look for domains. Now you can see I actually have this connected. So I'm going to go ahead and actually delete all of this really quick for you guys just so I can show you an example of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of this. Now, basically you can actually buy a new domain or connect an existing domain, but basically buying a new domain is very expensive, especially on Shopify. They tend to upsell the domains here just so they can get a little bit of profit. But a place I really suggest you buy a domain from is Namecheap. Namecheap is extremely affordable. You can actually get domains for like $5, $4, $3, even cheaper, right? So go ahead and check it out. I will have a referral down in the description for you to check out. That helps out the channel a lot. So basically, once you go ahead and get your domain, basically all you have to do is just click connect existing domain, and you're going to want to go ahead and copy and paste your domain. Sorry about that, guys. Had music playing there in the background, but basically all you have to do is just copy the domain and then click and paste your domain into the connecting existing domain place here. Click next. Once you do that, follow settings instructions. Now this is why I'm making this video, because the follow settings instructions is just, they don't sum it up too much, and it's very easy to do, but they just like make a 10-minute video. So basically you're going to want to make sure that you create an A record, a CNAME record, and make sure that your host is an @ for the A record, and the value is this IP address, which is the Shopify IP address. TTL should be automatic. And CNAME record, you're going to want to go ahead in the host, www, type that, and then the value should be shops.myshopify.com. Now, TTL should be automatic, leave that as that, and you're pretty much set from there. Now, all you have to do now is just verify the connection. Now, keep in mind, you will get an error, and the reason to that is it hasn't fully connected, so you will have to give it a little bit of time. But all you have to do is just click verify connection. You can see here that it went ahead and actually connected my Shopify store here. You can see now I actually have StalgiaCam as my online store domain. So if I were to go ahead and paste it in here, you can see that it's actually password protected. So basically it pretty much does work. You can see the domain is actually actively working. So that's how you go ahead and get rid of the myshopify.com domain. It's very easy and it's super simple. So with that being said, if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to comment down below what you thought of this video. And if you found it very helpful, make sure you guys check out some of my other videos if you guys are having problems. That being said, have a nice day everybody, and I will see you guys until next time.